everyone. Today I am going to talk about some new products which are launched by a brand called Wow. Earlier their onion oil is very famous, but now they have launched these amazing skin products. Let me show you first. One is a Upton face wash. See, it comes with such a nice bottle. Then there is a face and a body scrub. You know, the traditional Upton what we used to do when we used to make it at home. And then the third product is the face and body pack. So these are the three products these people have launched. So I mean, if I tell you, this again has basin, then of course turmeric, haldi, thoda sa saffron, then they have almond extract, they have rose water, and then they have put sandalwood oil. So this comes with so much goodness, and very important is it just does not have any harmful chemicals like, you know, it is a sulfate, paraben, silicones or color free. You know, it does not have any of these. So let me show you how to use these, and I'm also so excited to show you all that how this can be done. You know, this comes with a very nice looking brush. You know, you open it like this, and let me show you. So okay, you just press it, and you know, you will get like a product here. See, you will get the product, and then you can just do it on your face. So just take how much product you need. Okay, you can wash your face also, but I will just clean it. It removes all the makeup also, huh? It's very good. So then let's try this scrub. Again, this is so good looking bottle. You can take a little, and then you can just scrub, removing all the dead cells. Just pay little attention on the areas where you think you need little more scrubbing, especially around the nose where you get all the whiteheads and blackheads. Okay, let me show you the last product now. Wow, let's wait for it to get it dry. So I mean, I'm feeling so nice on my skin after removing of the pack, and the best thing is there is no chemicals in this. This is sulfate free, this is color free, artificial color free, no parabens, and it has all the goodness what we needs it right now when there is so much in the air. So I think you should go today or order online and shop for these products. So these are like face wash, which is an Upton face wash. Then we have a scrub, and then we have a pack. So lovely products, guys. So I'm sure you're going to place your order today. So I think this video would have been really helpful for you. I'll be back with more videos. Till then, keep watching.